for May 2025. I learned about active and passive voice. There is active and passive. What is active and passive voice? Active voice is a sentence in which the subject performs an action. In Indonesian, active voice is similar to sentences with verbs that begin with the prefixes ber or me, such as bersyukur, saving, uh, saving, then memotret, taking a photo, membaca, reading, melukis, painting, and so on. Meanwhile, passive voice is a sentence in which the subject receives an action. In Indonesian, passive voice is similar to verbs that begin with the prefix di, such as dicukur or being saved, dipotret, being photographed, dibaca, being read, dilukis, being painted, and others. Characteristic of active voice: first, the subject comes at the beginning of the sentence. Two, second, the subject is followed by a form of to be, verb, and object, depending on the sentence. Third, the sentence tells about the subject doing an action. Characteristics of passive voice: first, when changing an active sentence into passive, the object of the active sentence becomes the subject of the passive one. Second, the sentence tells that the subject is being acted upon. Third, the word by is added at the end of the sentence to show who or what did the action. Active voice formula: subject plus verb plus object. Example, she drives my car. It means she is subject, drivers is verb, my car is object. This means she is doing the action of driving. Passive voice formula is subject plus to be plus past participle or verb 3 plus by plus object. Example, my car is driven by her. My car is subject. Is it mean to be. Driven is verb 3. By her is object. This means the car is receiving the action of being driven. Note in passive voice, the form of to be changes depending on the tense of the active sentence. I give you example to active and passive voice. For simple present is for simple present, simple past, and simple future. For simple present, example is for active is she drives a car. Passive is a car is driven by her. Simple past example for active is she drove a car. Passive is a car is driven by her. Example future example for active is she will drive a car. Passive is a car will be driven by her.